You can do it all day.
You can do it.
My turn.
Oh hell, let me find out.
Shake your dress, shake your dress, shake your dress. Shake your dress, shake your dress, shake your dress.
Go to the bathroom.
You seen him?
Yo,
Hi.
Yeah.
what the fuck?
Sit back down. I already took you.
Yo, stop doing that.
Are you serious?
What's the moves? You
To stop sucking and fucking so much. That's my resolution.
You be sucking and fucking too much.
Not a lot, but like it be like that.
How many bodies you got?
I got about like 22.
How old are you?
Huh?
How old are you?
19.
She belongs to the streets.
Stand up, go like this. You see, I'm like flat chested, right? It's a lady boy.
I'm knocking like that.
Yo, that's racist.
That's fucked up.
It's serious.
Hey, y'all think she should start an OnlyFans?
Yeah, start one today.
I gotta
Yeah,
see her.
today.
No. I gotta see her full attributes. I gotta see everything. Like,
You got the Riley Reid right there.
Hey, Joe!
Lying though, you're lying. What the fuck? What is that?
In a car crash. She's saying that's what she got there.
In a car, Coke? Oh, drinking Coke. Oh shit.
is that a bitch? What the?
I don't know if that's a bitch or a nigga. How old are you?
I'm 15.
Yeah.
Why
Are
the
you
fuck are you here then? What the fuck?
Nigga, I'm just trying to have fun.
What the fuck is wrong with you? I'm never gonna see you in my life. Just bring me 1 through 10.
It's not higher than 4.
Well,
Y'all
fuck
cool
you.
though.
Nah,
We
fuck
not
you.
fucking cool. Monkey game. Blow kiss. Fuck, nigga.
I wanted to see dick. Oh shit.
What? What the
Oh
fuck?
shit. What's good, boy?
Yo, gang.
You got waves, nigga?
Something like that.
Wave check, nigga.
Right now?
Wave check, nigga.
Oh, my God. Damn, bro.
Oh, his shit white.
Oh shit, that nigga go. That nigga
Thinking about putting a condom on sometimes. It's just like it's word of bro. It's like you want to be a real nigga and just start.
What the
start
fuck?
going to town. You feel me?
What the fuck? Who the fuck? What did he say? Yo.
What are you? What's up with you, man?
What the fuck is wrong with y'all niggas?
You want me to see her shake some butt? I'm just playing.
I mean,
Shit, I'm not saying no. What the fuck?
if it's on the table, I thought you just had a nigga. Shit.
That shit
fuck
fat though.
Fuck that nigga.
I got a boyfriend. We call him husband and everything.
It's an evil world we live in.
Oh, that shit distracted me.
Can I show you my dance?
Yeah, go ahead.
You gonna show us some?
Big ass body and some last breasts. Do like a gorilla in your chest. Silverback, silverback, silverback. Silverback, silverback, silverback. I'd rather creep with you, ooh, yeah.
Guys, stop.
Yeah, I'd rather sleep.
Pause it, please. Pause it.
What the fuck?
Stop. Fuck it, don't even
That's
matter.
a racist cute as hell, nigga. Smile again. What's your dot? Fuck! I'm scaring the bitches away. Fuck!
I'm a tranny, like what?
Why are you smiling like that?
Because when I want to say it, but I feel like you've heard it before.
If it has anything to do with tall blue people, I'm finna read it.
You know it, dude, nigga. He said chose the ugliest one. And then a badass girl come on my screen, nigga, that I can't fucking pull. What's your name?
That's so funny. I'm Sophia.
Alright, well, can I pull if it's so funny?
I'll give you the humor.
So what the fuck? What do you mean then? So I'm ugly?
You're not ugly, no.
1 through 10.
Oh, no, I don't rate people.
Oh
That's
my
messed up.
You
god.
win some, you lose some. But you live. You live to fight another day.
Got a bitch who sucked a sucking dick and got a nasty one. If you don't like the way the truth sounded, don't ask me not. Kick it with. Look, I kick it with a thought if she really in the class to win. Spent 2 million on my mama alone, oh she glad I'm son. Still pulling out these burnt holes with a magnum on. It's free BG until that nigga free, I'll be glad he home. Step on shit they dish.